So I work on coral reef biology, especially on coral reproduction, and the research facility here is very good, yeah, and we have a lot of tank and equipments. But in NMBA, the aquarium I'm working, we are short of the research manpower. So if some intern students or foreign student or researcher, they are interested to come to NMBA to do research or just to visit, I always welcome them come here. Yeah. So especially for IPSI student, because usually they have been well trained, or like this year's many students, they are very interested on coral research, and they are well prepared to come to Taiwan to do research. So this student come to Taiwan, and they not only they can do a very good research, and we also learn a lot from them, the new concept, new technology. And for the students or assistant in my lab, they can make foreign friends. Usually they have a very good research and life here. So that's why I'm very interested to host this IPSI student. Yep. So like Holly Putnam and Anderson Mayfield, and also like Melissa Rose, my specialty is on coral reproduction or physiology or ecology. But these students, they are good both at physiology and molecular biology. Yeah. So actually, we working through this collaboration. They combine different new technology, physiological and molecular or cellular biology. So we can explore the same question at a different biological level. Yeah. Another case is like Melissa Rose. Melissa study the coral fluorescence, and this is new for us. And after her visit, a short-term research here, then we learn how to using the fluorescence to do the coral survey. And right now I have two graduate students. They use this new technology to do the coral research. Yeah. I think Taiwan is very unique in coral reef study because we located in the Western Pacific, and the biodiversity of coral reef organisms are much higher than American, or than and also the Caribbean. Yeah. So so the coral reefs is very good in Taiwan. And another very important reason is our coral reefs have some very special environmental condition. Like there is a internal tide induced upwelling influence our coral reefs. So corals they grow in this large fluctuation of environmental factors like temperature, pH, and nutrient. So they are adapted to the environmental change, and under this because the global climate change issue is very important now, and coral reef they are under the stress, and corals in Taiwan they it's kind of they have been adapted to the environmental change. So these corals are very interested, are important material to do this kind of research. Another important reason is we have NMBA here. So we have the largest coral farm on land in the world, and to do some research is very convenient in Taiwan. Like Holly and Anderson, they come from Hawaii. Hawaii is very famous for coral reef research. Even this student and their professors there, when they visit, after their visit in MBA, they are surprised we have this outstanding facility. Yeah, so that's so we have a very special natural environment, like the internal tide induced upwelling influenced coral reefs, and also this research facility. Yeah, so this facility attract a lot of foreign researchers. Okay, Anderson is a very successful example. He come here first time supported by IPSI, by the SIT. Yeah. Then he find here he likes the Taiwanese life, okay. And he make friends here, and we also support his research friendly. Okay. Yeah. So and he work very hard and smart here also. So I think his research, his IPSI SIT research here is very successful. So yeah. Promote him to continue his research, especially in Taiwan. Yeah. So and he is very good. He after the IPSI program, then he got PhD degree and get the support from NSF for this international postdoc. Okay. Yeah, and so he is very good at the research, and it's also very helpful for an MBA because he is good at diving in the field, coral reef, and he also good at molecular and cellular research in the lab. So he it's like he combine different discipline in MBA, and he integrate this research label. I'm very glad that Anderson can continue his research here, and he also tell his friends how good in MBA, and so there are more and more foreign students that hope to come to MBA to do research. Okay. Yeah, as I mentioned, Anderson is good to do the molecular and cellular, molecular and biochemistry research. Yeah. So before my research focused on the individual level, but right now we can explore the gene expression and the protein level, yeah, to understand how corals responds to the environment, yeah, at a different biological level.